Welcome to Design Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna let you know how to install Wordpress software and install theme. First, log in to cPanel, select the Wordpress software. Then click install button. If you want to install into subdirectory folder, then type any folder name in directory field. Otherwise, you delete subdirectory folder. Then type any site name, change admin account username and password and admin email. Next, click install button. Now your WordPress software was installed successfully. Purchase template in theme for a site and download. Now how to install WordPress theme. Go to File Manager, select the public-html folder, then select which subdirectory folder are used to install WordPress software. You can see I am using demo folder. Select WP content folder, select theme folder, then upload theme and see the complete video, then apply. Now your theme successful upload. How to active your theme. Now you log in the admin panel, see the complete video and follow the complete process to active theme. When your theme are activated, you have a required plugin and sometime theme purchase code. Put the purchase code and install all plugin. Now install all plugin and see the complete video and follow us. Plugin are successful installed and activated, then you need theme demo file required. Now demo file import procedure depend theme, but the mostly demo import procedure follow the complete video. Now your demo is successfully uploaded. You can see the videos. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe my video.